Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about area plan. We're going to place this area plan from this each level. As you see, if we go to this view and click this plan views and click this area plan, there is available all shown in this dialog box, new area plan, and this L1, L2, L3 is the level name. All levels shown in this dialog box. Okay, if we select all this one click, this drag this from start to end, and okay. Uh, this is the automatically create area boundary lines. This pop-up window appeared this screen every time in each floor level. See, if just click, because there is multiple floor shown, multiple level already created in this project. So each level shown, each level represents this to create this area plan. This is too much annoying. So we're going to for area plan create with the dynamo, just one click. Okay, so go to this manage. So open the dynamo interface. Click this manage, and this is the I've already opened this dynamo plugins, this dynamo window, and just click new. And first of all, collect open place this node categories, and I need to specify the area plan, specify the areas and all elements of category, because we need to collect all areas. I need to automatic to manual or save, because it can be crash anytime. That's why we're going to set manual and going to run to show the result. Then element get parameter by name. We need to as you see, if we run this script, there is empty list, because I have to set minimum one. I need to set minimum one area plan. From this area plan, this area plan, all floor level should be placed in same way. So open the level 1 and go to this view and plan views, area plan. Just specify, I need to say gross building, just area type, and select this only level 1 and click OK. Okay, now go to this area architecture ribbon and room and area panel, and this area, there is a area node, area tool, and area boundary. Click this area boundary and click this pick line, and if we put this cursor this on this floor line and hit the tab key on your keyboard, 1 2. Okay, so there is a chain of walls or lines, and before click this line and should lock this option. Then put this cursor in this line, floor line, and just hit the tab key on your keyboard, 1 2, and click it. As you see, all line locked in the in with this floor line, then double escape. Okay, so to apply this area, click this area and apply this into this area line. Click it. Now area will be placed in this position. Okay, now run it. So area will be shown in this dynamo script. Okay, now find out the area scheme, which is it rentable or exterior. We need to find out the value of its area scheme. So get parameter value by name and connect this element, and the parameter name is area scheme ID. Area scheme ID. Now connect this and run it. This is the area scheme. Okay, this is the first part, and the second part we need to collect all levels the same way. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and specify the levels. And hit run. As you see, there is multiple floor levels shown in this list. Okay, from this list we have to isolate the first item. Subtract this, remove this first item, because this level 1 area plan already set. Okay, so rest of items and run it. Okay, now the node is this value should be transferred the Revit. So area plan view, and area scheme. This is the node. So if we connect this area scheme and level this one and hit the run, as you see, the area plan will be create browser L1 and L2. We have to specify the longest. Okay, all levels, floor level create in this area plan. Okay, so I just select this area line and copy, paste, align to selected views. It should be shown this area plan, and to write this area for filtering, and select all, drag it from the start, and okay. So if we open any area plan view, the line is shown in this plan. Now apply this area. Level 1 already set the area plan. Level 2, apply area. Level 3, apply area. Okay, so this is how we create this multiple area plan just with this dynamo by one click. Okay, uh, we will next in video tutorial in talking about the area calculation process. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.